All right, I'm going to show you guys rotate and rotate 3D, and we're going to start with rotate. So you may know that you can rotate objects with the gumball tool, but there is a more specific way that you can do this that's really helpful. So if you grab your object that you want and type in rotate, hit enter, you can start from the center of rotation and you can grab any point that you want to line up. Let's say that I want this point to be in line with our y-axis. I can grab that point and line it up with our y-axis. It's a very specific way to rotate, and you can get a lot of precision, and you can even type in specific angles instead of just reference points, but I prefer reference points most of the time. In 3D, what we can do is, let's say we have a box and we want to rotate this onto its short face, onto this ground plane right here, right? So what we can do is we can select this and then type rotate 3D and the start of rotation axis. So this is the axis on which the object is going to hinge. So in our case, we want this to be our hinge, and then we want to go grab the end, and we just want to pull this up and line it up with our verticals, and then boom, that you can rotate objects in 3D. This is really helpful if you are working on different types of structures and you want to, rotate different ways. Having this rotation axis in 3D would be super helpful to get some interesting shapes, get some interesting surfaces going. So be sure to try both of these, use them, play around with them, and get messy with it. Get stuck and ask questions. That is all part of the learning process. You guys are doing great. Keep it up.